Do you need to jump a certain percentage of the way through a document? You can do it using the familiar Go To tab of the Find and Replace dialog box, provided that you use the technique described in this quick tip. You probably know that if you need to quickly move to an approximate location in your document, you can click on the marker here in the vertical scroll bar and then just drag it down until you get to the place that you want to be within the document. There's an even better way that you can approach the task, however, by using the Go To function. Let's say that I want to jump 75% of the way through this document. All I need to do is press F5 and Word displays the Find and Replace dialog box, and the Go To tab is automatically selected. What I want to do is make sure that Page is selected at the left side of this dialog box. Normally, the next step would be to type a page number in this box or to type a relative number of pages using the plus and minus symbols. This time, however, I'm going to enter a numeric percentage as indicated by a percent sign. In this case, I'm just going to click right here and I'm going to type 75 followed by a percent sign to indicate that I want to jump 75% of the way through the document. Interestingly enough, I could place the percent sign before the number. It will work fine either way. Word will understand what you want to do. Now all I have to do is click on Go To. It jumps to that place within the document, and I can close the dialog box and start to do my work. Now, how do I know that it jumped 75% of the way? Notice down in the status bar that this document has 62 pages, and we've jumped to page 45 in that document. That's 75% of the way through the document. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.